How to fix cash on delivery temporarily disabled on Shopee. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the temporarily disabled COD or cash on delivery on Shopee error. How you can check it. Simply access your Shopee account, log into your Shopee app, or you can head into shopee.com and access your account there and log in and go to your profile section. Then you want to navigate to my shop. Here I'm having some trouble logging into my account currently here. However, what you can do is, in order to ensure, what you want to do, check your account settings. Simply go ahead and check your account settings in order to ensure that your COD option is enabled. So once you have checked it, verify that you meet the seller's eligibility criteria for cash on delivery. And if the issue persists further on, you can contact Shopee customer service to investigate further. You can check the payment settings, go to the shop settings or a similar option, then find the payment section as well. You can check there, ensure the toggle for cash on delivery is switched on. Now sometimes seller may have specific limitations on COD uses, so check if your order meets this criteria. If you recently had issues with COD orders like cancellations or non-deliveries, Shopee might temporarily disable COD for your account as a precautionary measure. If the problem persists after checking your settings, reach out to Shopee customer service through the app or website to understand the reason for temporary disablement and how to resolve it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.